Is your item search suppressed on Amazon? If so, let me give you multiple ways to fix the issue in today's video. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a little list of Amazon seller support teams so you know how to escalate your issue and get it resolved. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire and stay a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. So number one, what is a suppressed listing and how do you even know if your listing is suppressed? Well, first you're gonna go into Amazon, you're gonna go to inventory, manage all inventory, and you're gonna search this listing status. You're gonna click on this button and click search suppressed. Then it's going to show you all of your search suppressed listings. So now what is this? What is search suppressed? Well, copy that ASIN, okay? Copy that ASIN, go into Amazon, go into the search bar on Amazon.com and type in that ASIN. If your ASIN does not show up, that means it's search suppressed, meaning people cannot find your product. No bueno, huge problem, right? And we don't want problems on Amazon. So that's pretty much what it is. Number two, what causes a search suppression? Well, usually it is four things. Number one is going to be the main image. Number two is the title. Number three is the description. And number four is the price. So these are the usual four things that cause a search suppression. Sometimes there's other reasons, but these are the main ones. And number one being your main image. And these are in order. So if your main image is incorrect. Number three, how do you fix a search suppression? Well, my friend, all you're going to do is go back into your inventory, and then you're going to simply scroll down and it literally says fix listing suppression right here. So you're gonna click that button, and right now the issue with this is it's missing a product description. So type in that product description, right? New, this is the best product description in the world. Oh, so I can't even type. And then pretty much after you're done that, you're gonna save the changes, and usually it fixes the search suppression within 24 hours. And number four, what to do if it's still search suppressed after you typed in the new description or the new image. What happens if it's still search suppressed after 24 hours? Well, time to do the big boy stuff and get this fixed. Big boy, big girl, let's go. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your Amazon account and you're going to go to inventory, and then you should see a tab called inventory reports. If you don't see an inventory reports tab, just simply type it in here, inventory reports. I typed it in wrong. Let's see if it shows up. And then you should be able to access the inventory reports tab right here, and it's gonna look like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click select the report type. You're gonna click on the category listings report, and you're going to click request report. Once you click request report, wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, it usually takes around 5 minutes max. Refresh the page after 5 minutes and click download, and you're gonna open up that report. It's gonna have all of your products, pretty much every single one of your products here. Now what you're going to do is go back to your listing. So here's the listing. You're gonna copy the SKU, and then you're gonna do Control F and Control V, and make sure there's no spacing. There it is. So here's the product that we want to fix. I'm going to do Control N, and I'm going to open up another tab right here, another Excel spreadsheet. And where is it? Oops. We're going to find this tab again. It is tab number 271. I'm going to click on 271 and copy it. I'm going to put it right here, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, so I pasted it right here. Now I'm gonna come back here, scroll up to the top, Control Shift the down arrow, Control Shift right arrow, all the way to the right. I'm gonna delete everything that's not related to my ASIN. Okay, so now I deleted everything. I'm scrolling back up. There's a lot of listings on here, so that's why we did that. You're gonna click on the number 2, and then you're simply going to copy everything from here, and now it's gonna paste everything back, and this is everything about your listing. So now, okay, pretty much you need to fill in the data here. So now we're gonna put the product name, put the manufacturer, anything in red. So let's say the product name is great, and the manufacturer is power, right? And now for column F, you need to put, it's going to be a full update. Make sure the brand name's in here. It looks like the seller SKU's here. The brand name's missing. Everything in blue, just try to make sure it's filled out unless it's grayed out, right? So the brand name, let's just say this is the brand name, the manufacturer part number. Maybe make sure if it has the category, fill it out to the best of your ability. The category type, the series, try to fill this out to the best of your ability. So everything in blue. Next is you're finally going to be putting in the new description. So put in that new description. So if you can do Control F and you type in description, here it is, product description right here. And this is what's been missing. So you need to make sure that this is here. Amazing, right? And then kind of go through all of these tabs, and anything in red, try to fill out to the best of your ability, or anything you can. See, this is red. If you look really close on my screen, it's red right here. So make sure you kind of fill this out to the best of your ability. After you fill it out, kind of go through it. I know there's a lot in here, but this is one of the best ways to fix this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that you do fix that suppression. You're gonna click save, 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 save. You're gonna save this. You're gonna exit out of this. And now you have that new report. So you're gonna get that report. I'm gonna grab it right here. Here it is. I'm gonna copy it. Now you're going to go to up here in the top left corner, you're gonna go to catalog, you're gonna click add products via upload. You're gonna come here and you're gonna click upload your spreadsheet. And that's your spreadsheet that you just created. I know I did it very quickly, but hopefully you were able to follow along. And then you're gonna make sure you have it in here, paste it. I did it off of the computer into a different computer. So here we go, I'm pasting it, the updated one, and then I'm going to open it and paste it into here. Click submit products once you finally upload it. And now you're gonna go to your upload status sheet, and there's a batch ID here. So you're gonna copy that batch ID. And next thing you're going to do is contact Amazon. Now this is super important because if you just contact Amazon out of the gate, they're probably gonna say, where's your batch ID? Did you do an inventory file update? And if you did, it's gonna make it a lot easier. So go to help, go to get help and resources, and this is where you contact Amazon. So it looks like this is new listing issue, connect to a specialist and solve it faster. I'm just gonna put mine, say my listing has a suppression issue, image attached. I already did the update and it is not going through. Here is the batch ID. Now I typed a lot of the spelling in wrong, so just make sure that you have your good spelling, but they can understand this. You're gonna click continue, and I'm gonna put my issue is not listed. I'm gonna do product or listing related, and in the subject, I'm gonna put transfer to catalog team. And I'm gonna explain why at the end. Next, you're gonna open it up via email first, and then you're going to attach, you're gonna put attach that batch file that you did. So attach that batch file that we uploaded, that full batch file. You're also going to attach the screenshot that shows that your listing is suppressed. So make sure you attach a screenshot that shows search suppressed. Once you open this up via email, you're going to then call Amazon. After you open up via email, there's gonna be the images are gonna be attached. Then you call Amazon and they're gonna say, hey, what's going on? You're gonna say, hey, can you read my last message on this case log? They're gonna read it, they're gonna look at the photos, and they're gonna know exactly what's wrong with the issue, and they're going to be able to help you fix the issue and get that search suppressed removed. That's my recommendation. There's multiple ways to solve this, but this is going to be one of the fastest and the quickest ways to get your problem resolved. Thanks for staying till the end of the video, and now I'm giving you a pro trick on how to escalate your issues to the right Amazon member. So when you first open up that case, right, with Amazon, you're just gonna be talking to seller support. And seller support usually cannot fix many issues, especially if you're trying to make the update and it's not working. You're going to ask them to escalate it to the catalog team. So when you call them, you're gonna tell them, hey, can you read my issue? They're gonna read your issue and ask if they can transfer you to the catalog team. So you're gonna say, hey, can you transfer my issue to the catalog team? I really wanna speak to the catalog team. And the catalog team will be able to fix your issue. I promise you, 99% of the time, they can fix your issue. If for some reason they can't fix your issue, then it's time to try again. Call and ask for the catalog team again. And then you can ask to go escalate to the captive team. So the captive team will be able to fix it 100%, and if not, the leadership team. But for these types of issues, the catalog team usually can fix it. And of course, you have the executive and all that. But this is pretty much the teams within Amazon, and they do know what team is which. So this is going to help you in your Amazon journey. And if you did learn something new in today's video, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're releasing a lot of great content that's going to help you increase your sales in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Not only do we specialize in Amazon, but we also specialize in Walmart, eBay, and Etsy, and also international expansion if you wanted to expand your Amazon products to, let's say, Amazon.uk, Amazon Australia, Amazon SG, which is Amazon Singapore, and more. If you work with EHP, you're going to have your own dedicated consultant that's sending you updates every Monday and trying to hit all of those goals for the week by Friday. They also create a strategy, audit your account, do your customer service, your inventory management, and everything in between. So that way you can focus on running your business instead of in your business dealing with this. That's what we specialize in. Contact EHP and talk to us about our full service management. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP, and I'm signing out.